phone ringing. This is Lynn coming back to you. I have a short DUI. I had asked some comments about getting my tree sprayed because I wanted to use the snow. I've always been interested. And I took my tree out and I put it up. And I do have like little spurts like on the ends. It's an artificial tree, but I do have like somewhat of like this little green. Let me put it closer to you so you can see. You see how that is? I have one here, like on my tips. There are, some lighter greenery, but I just wanted to add a little bit of this snow to it to see how it would do, because if you're like me, again, sometimes there are things that we like but we just can't afford. And I'm not trying out, this is a brand new tree. Actually, I only had it for like a year. So I'm not trying to go out and buy another tree, right? So I just want to do something a little bit different for this Christmas to see how it's going to turn out. So I bought my little spray. I got this from Walmart. Santa Snow is what. It's my first time trying it. I've been seeing a lot of people with the white trees, and they are to me, they're expensive. And I guess it's whatever you need to do, right? So let me put this, I'm sorry. Let me get this close. So I'm going to try this, and it says for me to spray just a certain amount, and then you're supposed to let it dry, and I can come back if I want more. So I just want to share this for all of you who are just viewing in. This is part of Lynn's Kitchen. For today, I'm doing a DIY. My channel is a cooking channel, but I decided to extend it and do more things in it. But I still am thankful for my regular viewers, and I would really appreciate those who are new and are viewing this, if you would subscribe and hit the like button. Also your comments, and I want you to give me my comments on how this is going to turn out, or how I want it to turn out. I'm going to try it out and see if it's going to give me a little fancy. So we're going to get started. Again, let's just do this together, okay? Let me see. It says just, oh, okay. Squirt. Okay. I like that. What y'all think? Look at that. Now, I don't want to make my whole tree white, but I want to give it just a little sprucing up. And it says shake as you go. You can shake. Okay. Oh, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. I like this, y'all. Okay, well, okay. I'm sorry I'm out of view, but okay. This is a cheaper route to go. And it says that I have to let this dry some. And I will do that and come back, and maybe if I think I need more. But what do y'all think so far? Give me your likes and your comments. I want to hear from you. I just wanted to change it just up a little bit. Give it a little bit more. So I'm liking it, and I want to thank one of my subscribers. She told me what to do. She said it should be outside because you see how it spurts. I wouldn't want to do this in my house. So I thank you for telling me how to do it, because I think being in the house I would have a fit, because it does go all over the place. It is. It spreads. So let me know if you like this. I think I'm liking this. I got my little white tree. Okay. So I'm going to let this dry. And I think I might not have to do any more to this. Let me know. I don't know if it washes off. I know it probably fades. But hey, how you like that? You get some of this off. Okay. So she says I'm supposed to let this dry. The can does tell you the instructions, and it does say let it dry. And then if I want to come back and do a little bit more spritzing on it, I'll probably do that. But for now, I'm liking what I see. I'm just getting some of these little bubbles because this does clog up a little bit. But it's a different type of tree to me. I mean, how do you guys like it? I think I like it. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. This is I got this tree. Where did I get this tree? I got this tree from Walmart. Last year, I think it only cost me like, I think it was like only $60. I just happened to catch it on sale. It might have been a little bit more, but I don't think so, because I don't play that. You know, I know it wasn't $100, put it that way. But I did get it from Walmart. I like that, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let this go ahead and dry. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do like within an hour, because I really want it to dry before I take it, and I'm gonna have to wipe off my bottom of that, but that's okay. Hey guys, we are back. Hopefully I let my tree dry. It feels dry, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use the remainder of this. I'm gonna see your comments. Tell me how you like this. If you're just tuning in, this is Lynn's Kitchen. I'm doing a DIY on my tree because I wanted it to have a little bit more white to it, and so I went and got this snow in the can, and this is what it looked like. It was all green, and I wanted a little bit more something to it. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit more. It is dry. I'm just gonna add on just a little bit more on the ends of it, as much as it'll let me. Go around it one more time. I'm liking this. I don't know who's watching this, but I had a subscriber to tell me how to do it. I appreciate her so much for letting me in on this, because I think this is neat. I never knew how to use this before. I was always afraid to use it on my other trees. And yeah. I'm gonna use it till I can't. So what do you guys think? I like it. I love it. Put this in the trash can. I'm in love with it. Now I'm gonna let the remainder of this dry. And again, guys, don't be afraid to get in there and do your DIYs. Just try it. Try it small. Just start doing it and build it up. But this is just one of the small DIYs I wanted to do. If you're joining me at the last minute, again, this is Lynn's Kitchen. I'm extending some of the gifts that God has given me in my life along with the cooking. And I wanted to redo my tree. So again, I love you guys. And I'm going to be coming back to you again because I've got some ornaments and things that I want to do a little DIY too before I decorate my tree. So that'll be in my next vlog. I'll be showing that. If you like this, you know, my new viewers, please subscribe, hit that like button. Give me your comments because I love your comments. And also, don't forget to share these videos with other people. And then give me a comment because I want to know if you tried any of them, or you know what, I'm open to you showing me some of your DIYs because I love different ideas, not just in cooking, but in everything in life. So I'm willing to be one of those people that go out there and go for it. I'm interested in what you do, and I'm hoping you're interested in what I'm doing. If you like this video, again, please come back and see us. Join the family, Lynn's family. We'd love to have you. And I need you to also hit that notification bell because it will give you upcoming videos as I go along. So again, guys, thank you for your time, and thank you for being in part of Lynn's Kitchen. We're wishing you a very wonderful, happy Thanksgiving. Blessings to all of you. You are in our prayers. And again, this DIY, it was simple. I enjoyed it, and there's lots more to come. So from us to you and your family, we love you, and we hope to see you again on Lynn's Kitchen. Have a good day. Bye-bye.